Right here. Anna? Anna, where you at? Anna, you scared me.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby. Where have you been? I've been looking all over for you.
Oh, I was just reading a scary book, that's all.
Oh, well, thank goodness you're okay.
Yeah, I'm
You ready
glad
to
I
go
found you.
with the rest of
It's
the
kind of scary, let's go.
All right.